Killer hobbies that will boost your bank account. Have you ever thought about making money from something you love to do? What if I told you that your next big payday could come from your favorite pastime? In a world where side hustles are booming, many people are discovering that their hobbies can be more than just a way to unwind. They can be lucrative too. With the rise of the gig economy, it's easier than ever to make money from your passions. My name is Olu, and in today's video, I'll show you 7 killer hobbies that can boost your bank account, all while fitting perfectly into your busy schedule. Stick around to the end to see how people just like you are making serious cash from their passions. You might be looking for extra cash or just curious about making money in the weirdest ways possible. You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn everyday activities into serious income. And let me tell you, you do not want to miss out on some of these because they're legit crazy but real. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Social media influencing. Ever wondered how people make a living just by posting on social media? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about taking selfies and posting them online. Social media influencers create content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. They build a following by sharing their lives, hobbies, and interests. And guess what? You can do it too. So how do you become a social media influencer? Start by picking a niche. What are you passionate about? Fashion, fitness, cooking, gaming? Whatever it is, focus on that. Next, consistently post high-quality content. Use good lighting, clear images, and engaging captions. And don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, like posts, and build a community. Now let's talk about money. There are several ways to earn as a social media influencer. 1. Partner with brands. Companies will pay you to promote their products. 2. Become an affiliate partner. Share links to products and earn a commission on sales. There are different types of affiliate programs you can join. Retail affiliate programs let you promote products from stores like Amazon and eBay. Digital product affiliate programs let you promote things like software and online courses from places like ClickBank and Udemy. Service-based affiliate programs allow you to promote services such as web hosting from companies like Bluehost. Subscription box affiliate programs let you promote monthly box services like Birchbox. Travel affiliate programs allow you to promote travel services from companies like Booking.com and Expedia. 3. Sell your own products. Create and sell your own merchandise on several platforms. Printify lets you design and sell products without keeping any stock. Printful helps you make custom items and handles printing and shipping. Merch by Amazon allows you to sell custom merch like t-shirts, and Amazon takes care of the sales and shipping. Spreadshop lets you set up a free merch store and manages everything for you. Redbubble allows you to sell your designs on different products like clothes and accessories. 4. Offer coaching or mentorship. To offer coaching or mentorship, first decide what specific area you want to help people with, like career advice or life skills. Create a plan with clear goals and decide if you'll do one-on-one or group sessions. Use platforms like Zoom for virtual meetings and LinkedIn to find clients. Make a website to showcase your services and use social media to attract people. Focus on building strong relationships. Listen well and help your clients reflect on their progress. 5. Sell courses or books. To sell online courses, start by planning your course content. Make videos, write lessons, or prepare your materials. Next, choose a platform to host your course. Udemy is good for reaching lots of people, and they help with marketing. Teachable lets you create your own course website and manage students. Skillshare is great for creative courses, and you get paid based on how much students watch. Kajabi offers tools to create, market, and sell your courses in one place. Mighty Networks is good for building a community around your courses. To sell books, start by writing your book and making sure it is well edited. Then, format it for both print and digital versions. Choose a platform to sell your book. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is easy to use and reaches a large audience. Blurb is great for self-publishing and selling both print and ebooks. Lulu offers many print options and distribution channels. To market your book, create an author website and blog. Use social media and email marketing to promote your book. And think about running ads on platforms like Facebook or Amazon. 6. Make and sell digital products. Create ebooks, presets, or templates. Micro-influencers with 10K, 50K followers can earn $40,000 to $100,000 annually. That's right, you can make a full-time income from your phone. And the influencer marketing industry is booming. It's a $13.8 billion industry as of 2021. So if you're thinking about becoming an influencer, now is the time. Let's look at some influencers who are killing it. Emma Chamberlain, for example, had an estimated earning of $12 million in 2022. And then there's Mr. Beast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, who earned over $54 million in 2021. These influencers started just like you, with a passion and a smartphone. So why not give it a shot? Who knows, you might be the next big thing on social media. All right, let's move on to our next hobby that can make you money. If you love dogs, this one's for you. 2. Dog walking. Love dogs? Here's how you can get paid to walk them. Dog walking is a fantastic way to earn extra cash while enjoying the great outdoors. Plus, who doesn't love spending time with furry friends? Let's start with the basics. Dog walking involves taking dogs out for exercise and bathroom breaks. It's a simple job, but it comes with great rewards. Not only do you get to spend time with adorable pups, but you also get some exercise yourself. It's a win-win. So how much can you earn as a dog walker? On average, dog walkers can earn $15 to $30 per hour. If you're experienced and build a good client base, you can make up to $3,000 per month. That's pretty impressive for a job that lets you hang out with dogs all day. Finding dog walking jobs is easier than you think. There are several apps you can use, like Rover and Wag. These platforms connect dog owners with walkers. You can create a profile, set your rates, and start booking walks. If you prefer, you can also start your own dog walking business. Create flyers, spread the word in your community, and watch your client list grow. The pet services industry is worth $10 billion in the US. That means there's a huge demand for dog walkers. People love their pets and are willing to pay good money to ensure they get the best care. Let's check out some influencers who have made a name for themselves in the dog walking world. Rachel Fusaro, for example, earns $50,000 a year from dog walking and pet sitting. And then there's Cesar Millan, also known as the Dog Whisperer. He built a multi-million-dollar empire from dog training and walking. Next up, we're diving into a hobby that's perfect for bookworms. Imagine earning money simply by reading books. Intrigued? Let's find out how you can make it a reality. 3. Reviewing books. You can actually make money by reviewing books. Provided you're a casual reader or a hardcore bookworm, there are opportunities out there for you. Let's start with how to get paid to read books. There are several platforms you can join, such as Online Book Club, Readsy, and Booklist. These sites pay you to read and review books. It's simple. You read the book, write an honest review, and get paid. Depending on the book and the platform, you can earn anywhere from $5 to $60 per review. Plus, you get to keep the book. It's like getting paid to do what you'd probably do for free anyway. But that's not all. There are other ways to make money from your love of reading. You can become a book proofreader or editor. Many authors and publishers need people to check their work for errors before it's published. You can also read aloud for audiobooks. Platforms like Audible are always looking for new voices. If you have a good voice and love reading, this could be a great gig for you. Another option is to start a book review blog. Share your thoughts on the latest books, and you can earn affiliate income by recommending books through Amazon or other retailers. You can also get paid to translate books if you're fluent in another language. And if you're really passionate about books, consider finding a full-time career in the publishing industry. Jobs like book reviewer, book proofreader, narrator, voice actor, translator, author, book marketing assistant, book publicist, book public relations agent, book layout designer, book graphic designer, book editor, copy editor, illustrator, literary agent, sales representative, production manager, marketing manager, and book contract manager all involve reading books and can pay well. The book review industry is growing, with more opportunities in self-publishing. More authors are choosing to self-publish, which means they need reviewers, proofreaders, and editors. This is great news for book lovers looking to make some extra cash. Let's check out some influencers who have made a name for themselves in the book review world. Ariel Bissett, for example, makes $40,000 a year from book reviews and her YouTube channel. And then there's BookTuber, who earns $30,000 a year from book reviews and affiliate marketing. Reviewing books is a fantastic way to make money from something you love. If you're a bookworm, why not give it a try? You could be making money while discovering your next favorite read. All right, let's move on to our next hobby. If you're an artist, this one's for you. Let's talk about how you can make money by selling your paintings. 4. Selling your paintings. Are you an artist? Here's how to turn your art into cash. Selling your paintings is a fantastic way to make money from your creativity. And the best part? You can do it in your spare time, so you don't have to quit your day job. Let's start with the different ways you can earn money as an artist. First, you can teach art online or face-to-face. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy allow you to create and sell art courses. If you prefer in-person teaching, consider offering art classes in your community. Next, you can sell your designs on sites like Etsy, Saatchi Art, and Creative Market. These platforms allow you to reach a global audience and sell your art prints, digital downloads, and more. Another option is to participate in art fairs, conventions, and festivals. These events are great opportunities to showcase your work and connect with potential buyers. You can also apply for grants and competitions. Many organizations offer grants to support artists, and winning a competition can boost your visibility and credibility. Writing an art blog is another way to make money. Share your art journey, tips, and tutorials, and you can earn affiliate income by recommending art supplies and tools. You can also seek commissions for original work. Many people are willing to pay for custom paintings that fit their specific needs and preferences. The online art market is expected to reach $9.32 billion by 2024. This means there's a huge demand for art online, and you can tap into this market to sell your paintings. Let's check out some influencers who have made a name for themselves in the art world. Loish, also known as Lois Van Barl, earns $100,000 a year from digital art and Patreon. And then there's Ross Draws, also known as Ross Tran, who makes $200,000 a year from his YouTube channel and selling prints. Selling your paintings is a great way to make money from your creativity. If you're an artist, why not give it a try? You could be making money while doing what you love. Next up, let's get into a hobby that's perfect for photography enthusiasts. Let's talk about how you can make money with your camera. 5. Photography. Capture moments and get paid for it. If you love photography, there are plenty of ways to turn your passion into a profitable venture. And the best part? You can do it in your spare time, so you don't have to quit your day job. Let's start with the different ways you can earn money as a photographer. First, you can sell prints of your work on stock websites like Shutterstock and iStock. These platforms allow you to upload your photos and earn money every time someone downloads them. It's a great way to earn passive income from your photography. Next, you can offer photography classes and workshops. Share your skills and knowledge with others, and you can earn money while helping people improve their photography. You can also create a photography blog, share tips, tutorials, and your photography journey, and you can earn affiliate income by recommending photography gear and tools. Shooting events and portraits is another way to make money. Weddings, birthdays, and family portraits are always in demand, and people are willing to pay good money for high-quality photos. You can also offer your services to small businesses. Many businesses need professional photos for their websites and social media, and you can provide this service. The demand for stock photos is increasing with the rise of digital marketing. More businesses are using stock photos for their online content, which means there's a growing market for your photography. Let's check out some influencers who have made a name for themselves in the photography world. Brandon Wolfel, for example, earns $500,000 a year from photography and social media. And then there's Peter McKinnon, who makes $2 million a year from his YouTube channel and selling presets. Photography is a fantastic way to make money from your passion. If you love capturing moments, why not give it a try? You could be making money while doing what you love. All right, let's move on to our next hobby. If you have a knack for design, this one's for you. Let's talk about how you can make money as a graphic designer. 6. Graphic design. Got a knack for design? Turn it into a profitable venture. Graphic design is a versatile skill that can open up numerous opportunities for making money. And the best part? You can do it from the comfort of your home. Let's start with the different ways you can earn money as a graphic designer. First, you can offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. These sites connect you with clients looking for design work. You can set your rates and take on projects that interest you. Next, you can sell templates and assets on Creative Market. Create and upload design templates, fonts, and other assets, and earn money every time someone purchases them. It's a great way to earn passive income from your design skills. Teaching graphic design online is another option. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy allow you to create and sell design courses. Share your expertise and help others learn design while earning money. You can also create a YouTube channel for design tutorials. Share tips and tutorials, and you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsorships. The graphic design industry is projected to grow by 3% annually. This means there's a steady demand for graphic designers, and you can tap into this market to offer your services. Chris Do, for example, earns $1 million a year from the future in his design services. And then there's Aaron Draplin, who makes $500,000 a year from his design work and speaking engagements. Graphic design is a fantastic way to make money from your creativity. If you have a knack for design, why not give it a try? You could be making money while doing what you love. Next up, we're diving into a hobby that's perfect for tech-savvy individuals. Let's talk about how you can make money as a web designer or developer. 7. Web designer developer. Tech-savvy? Here's how to make money as a web designer or developer. Web design and development are in high demand, and there are plenty of opportunities to turn your skills into a profitable venture. Let's start with the different ways you can earn money as a web designer or developer. You can offer freelance work on platforms like Upwork and TopTal. These sites connect you with clients looking for web design and development services. You can set your rates and take on projects that interest you. Next, you can create and sell website templates. Platforms like ThemeForest allow you to upload and sell your templates. It's a great way to earn passive income from your web design skills. You can also offer web hosting and maintenance services. Many businesses need ongoing support for their websites, and you can provide this service for a monthly fee. Teaching web design online is another option. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy allow you to create and sell web design courses. Share your expertise and help others learn web design while earning money. You can also create a YouTube channel for web design tutorials. Share tips and tutorials, and you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsorships. The demand for web developers is expected to grow by 13% through 2030. This means there's a steady demand for web designers and developers, and you can tap into this market to offer your services. Let's check out some influencers who have made a name for themselves in the web design and development world. Chris Coyier, for example, earns $200,000 a year from CSS Tricks and CodePen. And then there's Sarah Sweden, who makes $150,000 a year from her web development work and speaking engagements. Web design and development are fantastic ways to make money from your tech skills. If you're tech savvy, why not give it a try? You could be making money while doing what you love. So there you have it, 7 killer hobbies that can boost your bank account. Whether you're into social media, walking dogs, reading books, creating art, photography, graphic design, or web development, there's a way to make money from your passion. Remember, the key to success is setting clear goals, continuously improving your skills and networking. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your hobby turn into a thriving side hustle or even a full-time business. Your financial future is waiting. So why not start today? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and turning your passions into profits. Let me know in the comments which hobby you're excited to try, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy earning!